right, it's everybody's favorite Uncle Buddy. All right, today I picked up Robert Drake, and him and I went and fly the bebop around a little bit. We had a good time today. I felt really good today, which is a accomplishment. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. It is Sky Pirate 67 Baconator, and that's my YouTube channel. And like my video. Y'all have a good day. Talk to you later. Say hi to Robert when you see him. He did good today. Bye. Yeah, for a second today, Robert and I thought we found some gold with the wind turbine. This one here that we're looking at was sitting there. Wasn't a truck down there when we got there. The top of it was open, and I thought, cool, we could fly over and look in it. Nope. Truck showed up while we was getting ready to do that. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.